Hello gardening and farming enthusiasts. Today we embark on an intriguing journey to explore the captivating world of the black-tailed white Japanese bantam, often known as the Japanese bantam. These small and delightful birds have a history as vibrant as their plumage and serve a variety of roles on the farm. But before we dive into this fascinating exploration, remember to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more poultry insights. The black-tailed white Japanese bantam has its roots in Japan and is believed to have been in existence for centuries. These miniature chickens were originally bred for ornamental purposes due to their striking appearance. They have since become popular in various parts of the world as both pets and exhibition birds. Japanese bantams are tiny in size with striking plumage. They have a compact body, short legs, and a unique upright posture. The most distinctive feature is their striking black tail feathers contrasted against their white bodies. They have a small comb and wattles. To successfully raise black-tailed white Japanese bantams, providing them with a safe and secure coop or shelter is essential. They are small and vulnerable to predators. They thrive in moderate climates and should be kept warm during colder months. Access to clean water and a balanced diet is crucial for their well-being. Japanese bantams are known for their gentle and friendly disposition, making them excellent companions for other poultry or even as pets in a family setting. They are generally non-aggressive and are a favorite among those looking for ornamental and friendly birds. While they may not be known for their egg or meat production, black-tailed white Japanese bantams are prized for their ornamental value and are often showcased in poultry expeditions. Their unique appearance and docile nature make them a charming addition to any poultry flock or backyard. And there you have it, a glimpse into the captivating world of the black-tailed white Japanese bantam. These charming and ornamental birds with deep roots in Japanese culture. From their striking appearance to their gentle demeanor, they bring beauty and companionship to any farm or backyard. If you found this exploration as fascinating as we did, please give us a thumbs up and share your thoughts in the comments below. Stay tuned for more engaging species on our channel.